Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to uninstall apps which you're not uninstalling. Apps that won't uninstall usually have special permissions or are running in the background. This can include admin rights, system restrictions, or malware-like behavior. You can remove most of them by disabling those controls first. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Then select See All Apps. Tap the app you want to remove. Press Force Stop to stop it from running. You can also tap the Uninstall option. If blocked, go back to Settings, tap Security and Privacy, go to More section, then tap Advanced option. Choose Device Admin Apps or Device Administrators. Find the app and tap it. Choose to tap Deactivate to remove admin rights. Tap the app again to return to the app's info page. And now tap on Install again. Restart your phone to complete the process. Tip: if uninstall still fails, restart your phone in safe mode and repeat the steps to prevent the app from interfering. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.